Unlike most airshow pilots, Brian didn't grow up around airplanes as a child, but he's more than made up for lost time in the air, accumulating over 9,000 hours throughout his career. Coming in from the right now, let's welcome Brian Correll, coming in through that knife-edge flight with the wings generating almost zero lift. What an entry into the show right now. With a nearly 330 horsepower motor on the front of it, Brian will shorten it another wing and head out to the left side of the aerobatic box. 9,000 hours to his credit, from Hypercubs to Boeing jets. But his first exposure to aviation, believe it or not, was accepting an invitation from friends to join them skydiving at the Kansas State University Parachute Club. His first airplane ride was only half an airplane ride because there was no landing. He jumped out of it. But after a while, the bug caught. Now watch him as he experiences some 9 times the force of gravity as he pulls skyward, starting things off at show center just to the right with what's called the spiraling tower. He'll point the nose straight back down and pick up some smash, pick up energy, pick up speed as he sets up for his next maneuver. The Pitts is way more powerful than the original Pitts biplane from 1945. Curtis Pitts, the designer, we lost him only a few years ago, but he got to see maneuvers done like this with more powerful Pitts biplanes. That's called the double gravity. Turns it twice like a pinwheel, aimed straight down. He had 60 parachute jumps before he ever got landing in an airplane. In 2005, though, he attended Air Force pilot training and finished at the top of his class. Brian serves currently as an instructor pilot on the brand new Air Force aerial refueling aircraft, the tanker known as the KC-46 for the Air Force Reserves, having flown numerous countries in the world. You don't want to be dealing with that all the time. Now watch him recover upside down. That's that horrible feel negative G's with the blood rushing to your head. Now, let's see if we can go live to the cockpit and say hello to our buddy Brian. Hey Brian, can you hear me? This is Rob Ryder.
Rob, I got you loud and clear. Oh, what a beautiful day. Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. What an honor to fly here at NAS Pensacola. Blue skies above, beautiful backdrop. Couldn't ask for anything better.
It's amazing. It went from 3,500 broken to severe clear, dude.
Somebody check their weather, dude. Let's just sit and go off for just a second. Tighten up our belts because we're not done yet.
Oh, I'm sure you're not. Now tell me a little bit while you're cooling down about your flying the KC-46, that new tanker, the Pegasus. That's got to be quite a treat for you to fly something that big after flying something so little.
30 miles an hour, we'll see you back there.
All right, partner, turn on the smoke. We're ready for Act 2. And ladies and gentlemen, while you can, make some noise for him so you can see, hear your applause in the cockpit. Let's make some noise for Brian. This is called the centrifuge as he does the outside shoulder rolls all the way across the shoulder line. See how fast he got going in that roll? He turned him into outside snap rolls, stalling one wing. This is really brute force, hardcore, down and dirty aerobatics that just takes some great physical conditioning. So different from the KC-46 that he flies for the Air Force Reserves as an instructor pilot. Now, he got to 230. He's at 200 miles an hour right now. He'll get to show center. Watch the stick come back. He goes into sliding flight. Does another outside shoulder roll back into sliding flight. That is called the slide winder. Now watch him. Watch the airplane turn. The propeller is forcing the turn backwards. This is called a torque roll, where all the controls were reversed, getting going backwards almost 50 miles an hour. This is a He wants to thank N-Flight Cam, N-Flight Mike, Champion Aerospace, Whirlwind Propellers, Softy Parachutes, Hooker Harness, B&C Specialty Products, Cordine Aviation Systems, and Fly Smarter with Log 10 Pro. He gets to the top, he snap rolls once and then tumbles it twice. That is called a double avalanche. Now, Brian's headed out to the right-hand side, but look straight out in front of you. Being raised up on the runway in front of you now are a couple of poles. Those poles are about 18 feet high, and between them is a ribbon. As Brian now 60 degrees goes up and starts to run out of airspeed. As he does, he's going to point into the wind a little bit and slow it down to below stall speed, hanging it on the whirlwind propeller, almost turning it into a helicopter. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Put your hands together for Brian Correll. Those two poles have suspended between them a ribbon. And what Brian Correll is going to attempt, he's going to try to cut that ribbon with his little Pitts biplane. So let's watch to see if he gets the money shot. He gives himself plenty of room to set up. There's a fairly significant crosswind here, but watch him as he comes by. He's not going to cut the ribbon this time. He's going to go decided to go under it, touch the wheels on the runway, and then give a negative G push out. Oh, Brian, you had me fooled, man. I thought you were going to cut it that time. Tell me you're going to cut it this time, buddy. I bet you he will. So he's proved that he can go under it, keeping the wheels right off the runway until he wants to do a quick touch and go. Smoke is on. Now this time, oh my gosh, he's going to do it upside down. He's inverted, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if he can do it. The inverted ribbon cut attempt. Strong crosswind. 3, 2, 1. Bam! He got it. For Brian Correll and the inverted ribbon cut. And Brian has just been talking to our air boss. He's going to set up for a photo pass, so if you hold your camera sideways, it'll be easier to track him as he goes by. And then when you want to show it on your big screen TV, it'll fill the screen. rather than having this little vertical thing that looks ugly. Except on Instagram. All right, now here's flying the fuselage. Look at this. All the 330 horsepower of this 1,400-pound airplane and pilot and fuel. Look at that. Almost no lift being generated by the wings as he goes hard left stick, hard right rudder going by. Again, he wants to thank the folks at In-Flight Nomad. Designed to be a universal microphone allowing pilots to take advantage of high-end noise-canceling headsets, N-Flight Cam, Champion Aerospace, B&C Specialty Products, Whirlwind Propellers, Sky Dynamics, Softy Parachutes, Hooker Custom Harness, and Corrugating Log 10 Pro, the professional logbook designed for the iPhone and the Mac. As he buzzed the tower, and he's going to head on back to Pensacola. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, if you will, for Brian Correll. And he'll be back later.